Arya, bentar dulu. Hold on. Bentar dulu. Saya buka sih ke sayang. Kok gini? Oke, sayang. Halo, Arya. Udah sholat ya?
Udah,
Yes. Yuk kita buka lagi. Itu ya, lanjut yuk ya.
siap, siap, siap.
Kita
Ntar
buka.
ke toilet dulu.
Boleh, boleh. Kasih ketemu ya. Bentar ya. Kasih dulu surat dulu.
Hypothetical version of Cars. Ultimate Cars, the exact same as he is in JoJo, and a
Jangan
version
ya. Asik.
one more
Kita
hidden
lanjut.
versus has cursed energy by default. But that would be pointless because it would be overpowered.
iPhone Java.
Has abilities. You'll see why that
Ruby
would be
Swift. Ayo.
first.
Kalau 2 berarti...
And the same abilities with JoJo.
Ya.
Would be dropping.
Oh, tahu sih ya. Ini jawabannya kok pintar. Kalau 2 di belakang tuh berarti Python sama Java. Python sama Java. Oh, loncat 2, ding, bener. Python sama Swift. Kok salah ya? Python, C++, Swift. Harusnya bener. Ntar lu ya, bentar ya. The output will be... Kan dari loncat 2 Apa Java dan Ruby ya?
No extra knowledge. So let's go over his physical traits first, starting with strength.
Oh iya, kita coba minta kontrol.
Power. It's outright stated that his hormone is hundreds of times stronger than Joseph's. So
Minta
bare minimum,
kontrol
that's
dulu.
200.
Bentar. Ya.
Since we're talking multiples of 100, obviously. Plus, his hormone is compared to the power of the sun and can vaporize flesh on contact. If it literally does have the force of the sun, which it is implied to be
Kita
literal,
coba ya.
the amount of force he can produce is over 807 tons of TNT. Just
Bisa nih. Berarti kita ganti ya. Coba kalau nggak gitu berarti kan language 2 Berarti kan start, stop, loncat. Dari 0, 0, 1, 2. Berarti C++. Tapi Python-nya nggak ada. Masa gini. Calculate. Kok kacau. Will be C++. Apa dong? Berarti kan dari 0. Atau The first two element. Nggak tahu juga sih. Harusnya sih loncat 2 ya. Kok aneh ya? Coba ya. Kita evaluate dulu. Kok aneh ya? Tunggu dulu. What will be? Coba ya. Print, misalnya print, ntar ya, A gini 2 gitu kan harusnya. Tunggu bentar. Tuh kan benar, harusnya lengkapnya C. Bener tahu ya? Atau C++ sama Swift aja? Ini soalnya aneh banget ini. Kayak kalau gini gimana? Re-evaluate. Ya ampun apa ini? Ini jelek nih, nggak suka. Aneh. Apa salahnya? Coba kan language itu berarti kan aneh tahu ya, itu tuh udah benar.
It doesn't present the output as a list.
Hah?
The correct output should be that Python, C++, Swift.
Iya kan di output. Oh gini. Oh ngerti gini jadinya. Lalu oh iya bener juga Arya pinter ya. Arya nggak bisa diedit.
Bentar.
Toh sama Arya coba ya benerin ya. Kak Cika dari minggu lalu nggak tahu lemot nggak bisa itu kenapa? Kesel. Coba sama Arya. Bisa kalau sama Arya malah bisa.
Mana sih?
Mana? Coba.
Oh,
Jadi,
okay.
Oke. Ada loh. Oke. Bisa ya. Ya, iya, Arya rajin. Pinter ya nulisnya harus gitu ya.
The explanation is completely missing.
Arya kok pinter banget, Arya. Kak Cika gak kepikir loh. Berarti jawabannya bener gitu.
This is basic common sense. How do you not do this?
Iya, that's why I need your help, Arya. So I was thinking that I just
This
type.
is not. You do not need to treat me like a toddler. This makes me feel more stupid.
No, you're not a toddler. I just treat you like.
You do not.
I just told you that I need your help, really, because I've been doing this since last week, and I thought I just print the like the result without using the the list, and it didn't work. So just add some reasons, yeah, and then reevaluate and see if they accept the answer. Because apa ya? Because language gini kali ya. Language gini gimana ya? Gini means every two elements of the list bisa nggak ya? Arya jago. I'll do Arya.
Just from his hormone alone. And that's the
Ini
bare
kayak
minimum.
tuh Arya, kamu jago banget Arya, seriusin. Next ya. Arya mah minggu lalu ngebantuin Kak Cika jadi nyangkut kan. Udah sekarang sama Arya, Kak Cika backup. Arya lebih diteliti soalnya. Gila, mantap. Ayo lanjut ya. You are a big boy now. Berarti Kak Cika yang belajar ke Arya sekarang. Gimana ya? Come on, Arya.
Use this power, he used it pretty casually. He did it to mock Joseph,
The
actually.
sum ya, yang mana berarti?
Small town level as a baseline. And that's the bare minimum. The eyeball.
Cika nggak bisa nge-scroll lagi, Mak. Nah, sok Arya deh, assessment dulu ya. Oke, bentar. Sekarang berarti ke ini.
He's hundreds of times stronger than post-training Joseph, who could fight the other Pillarmen, who are stronger than Santana, who was above Part 1 Dio, who's arguably stronger than Part 3 Dio in some aspects, who was able to fight Jotaro before he got stronger from rage, and fully unlock the world. So, let's use Jotaro to scale. This version of Jotaro has feats that place him at small town level also, such as his fight with Justice, and the fact that he stated to have the strongest stand in Part 4, meaning it's above Red Hot Chili Pepper, which can be scaled to being around here as well. So, go back to that scaling chain that I just gave you. At the very bottom is Jotaro around small town level. So using that, it's pretty reasonable to say that cars can wipe out a large city, possibly even beyond that. But if you really want to stretch it even further, his Hamon is anywhere from 200 times to 900 times stronger than Joseph's. So it really depends where we place Joseph. With that same scaling chain from before, it's reasonable to say he's around large town level, probably small city level. At the high end at least. And Cars is anywhere from 200 to 900 times that. So if we really want to push him, you can put him at mountain level, possibly even higher. That just goes to show how strong he truly is. Again, we didn't really get to see his full power though, and we're using a vague statement about multipliers, so let's be a little more conservative here with an estimate. I think we could reasonably call him large city level. This feels like a really fair middle ground to me, especially because it puts him on par with some of the top tiers in JJK. Personally, I think he goes even higher, but we're going to be conservative with this part. Now on to durability. Cars can evolve and adapt to pretty much anything, assuming he experiences it and doesn't die instantly. And it's pretty hard to kill him in the first place. Look at what happened when he fell in a volcano. Quickly he tried to adapt and that didn't work, but he found another adaptation and found a way to survive in lava for a few minutes. When in space, we see him trying to adapt even further. The issue here was that he froze up before he could adapt any further than he already did. He actually did survive out in space, he's just frozen. So he can't move himself, but this didn't kill him. So he can survive these extreme temperatures and adapt to extreme situations like this. His regeneration is also pretty insane. The Pillarmen are even alive as specks of dust apparently. They can regenerate from pieces that are around 1 centimeter cubed, and those are for the other Pillarmen. For Cars, it's pretty likely he can go beyond this, so he can survive being cut up even further. And again, as dust, he would still be alive. You'd have to completely destroy every little bit of him if you wanted to die. Even if you completely pulverize him, there is a chance he could just regenerate from that. So if you can destroy him completely with one attack, you should be fine. But if you don't accomplish that, he's going to come back regenerated, and he'll probably find a way to adapt to your attacks next. But even without regeneration, his regular
Ya, ada waktunya ya 14 menit ya. Option 1 fruits of nih. List name fruits containing and elements.
Which
Lihat.
of ini enggak sih?
Fruits and 2 sama 3 ya? Kayaknya N deh ya.
Tapi kan bisa select multiple.
Tapi kalau Kak Cika pilihnya yang nomor 2 aja, Arya. Oh, ini ya. Which is the following will access the last element of a list name fruits containing and elements. Berarti yang ketiga ya. Yang kedua enggak deh. Bener nggak gitu? Coba ya udah
My
lanjut.
list
For example, when he was launched into space, he survived being hit by objects exceeding escape velocity. Escape velocity is Mach 33, aka 33 times the speed of sound. These objects didn't really hurt him, they just propelled him up further. Plus, obviously, like I said before, he survived a volcano, including being submerged in lava and surviving the eruption. In case you couldn't tell by this point, we aren't using anything from novel Cars either. This is just part 2 Cars. At his peak, though. Next, let's cover his speed. Cars at absolute lowest low ball is beyond the speed of light. He's way beyond it. He generated light at one point and moved so fast that he outsped it. He also dodged the UV ray, which also moves at light speed. And the craziest part is, this is regular Cars doing this, not Ultimate Cars. To go even further, his combat speeds can be pushed way beyond light speed. Vampire Dio from Part 1 is actually comparable to his Part 3 self due to adjusting to his new body in Part 3. In case you didn't know, Part 3 characters are stupidly fast, and this retroactively affects some Part 1 and Part 2 characters to an extent. Tatooine, for example, can perceive 1/10,000th of a second, and Silver Chariot is noted
Nah, berarti ya.
as a stance, with feats of its own pushing it beyond the speed of light.
10, 20, 30, 40 will 1, 3 return. Berarti 1 mulainya sampai 3. Berarti 20 sama 30 ya. Ya.
2 sama 30.
Ya. Oke, lanjut.
Very problem to accept how am I supposed to do that? I forgot everything.
Write up, declare, and accept. List of and space separate integers. Ingat gak?
Enggak.
List of and space ya. Calculate multiplication of the first and the third. Output the same to the console. Berarti contoh ya. Ntar ya, lihat dulu. Berarti kita harus masukin N ya. Declare and accept a list of and space separate integers. Wow. Hold on. Gimana ya caranya? Tunggu. Kayaknya pakai yang itu ya, pakai map. Tunggu sebentar. How? Taruh ya, Kak cari contoh dulu. Takut lupa mapnya.
And Star Platinum is above both of them, with the world obviously being comparable. So at low ball, if we assume Dio's Part 3 feats apply to his Part 1 self, that
Declare
moves Cars even further.
and
Cars is
accept
faster than Part 1 Dio, who's relative to or possibly faster than Dio from Part 3.
list
And while I am using the speed of the standard
of
themselves, it's worth noting
and
that this affects Dio's reaction and combat speeds too, because they're perceiving all of this.
space
The stands are controlled by them and they perceive what the stands are doing. And this isn't traversal speed, by the way. This is combat and reaction speed, which is completely different. So Cars at bare minimum is faster than light, but you can push him even higher. For this video, one thing to remember is that domains have sure little effects. Cars on speeds, everyone.
Well, in the domain, are the light. Light is like perfect.
But in a domain, he would still be hit by attacks. I know I said he has no curse energy, but we'll cover that more in a bit. Even if you lowball him and highball JJK, Cars still outspeeds them. Even the top tiers in terms of speed, like Sukuna, Gojo, and Hashima. Other
Nah,
abilities,
ya, Kak Cika lagi cari contoh. Input string,
multiple uses. The fact he can
Input.
manipulate his body, he can create life.
cobain gini ya.
He's actually stronger
Ini.
than normal animals, considering the fact that he made spin. We're taking it from
Kok nggak bisa ngetik Kak Cika, bentar ya. Ya Kak Cika nggak bisa ngetik, Arya coba ketik di itu ya. Kak Cika tulis di chat ya, area ngetik ya. Coba gitu ya. Terus kan jadinya dapat ini kan, integer list. Nah, setelah dapat integer list,
Bentar.
terus print integer list.
I can't copy it for I can't paste it for some reason.
Ya,
Because
Dan-
list equals list map. Okay.
kayaknya they want us to type it, Print integer list first and third element ya. Integer list first and third
Equals list map int.
integer list
The
posisi
integer
posisi first dan ketiga berarti alright. Berarti kan kalau itu 250 ya. Gini nggak ya? Coba. If it works.
integer inputs. Okay. Input string equals input. Okay. Equals enter space int.
Input enter space separated integers. Jadi dia nanti baca aja sebanyak itu.
Good list. Equals list.
Nanti tinggal dikaliin kan ya, yang posisi 1 dan posisi 3 ya. Oke. Bisa kali ya. Aduh, area Ya, tadi pergi hujan nggak? Di sini hujan gede banget. Ada nggak kehujanan?
Ini udah mulai reda.
Dari siang hujan, terus integer listnya belum. Arya tunggu. Yang kedua integer list 2. Kan posisi
Mana?
1 sama posisi 3. Itu yang dikaliin ya.
Oh, oke.
Kelewat yang paling belakang. Nah, iya. Bener nggak? Input. Oh, salah ketik, Arya. Input.
Mana?
Itu harusnya input string. Nah. Yes. Run. Jeng, 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 jeng. Nice. Nice. Oke, oke. Hah? Ada yang salah. Kenapa? Hold on. Kenapa ya? Tunggu. Wrong answer. Failed for a hidden test case. Kenapa?
Write a program to declare and accept. Calculate the multiplication.
The first apa salahnya sih ya? Coba deh Arya yang lihat deh. Kalau Arya yang lihat tuh suka ada yang Kak Cika nggak lihat, Arya bisa lihat gitu loh. Coba ya. Salah nggak teliti.
Ntar, aduh.
Ada yang salah nggak ya?
Jojo, he won't have the genetic data of anyone from JJK. That would make him instantly overpowered because he could just copy anything by default. As we covered, he has great adaptability. He's immortal and has great regeneration, but that doesn't mean he's completely infallible. And of course, he has an IQ of 400, so he's really smart. Now into the actual battles themselves. By the way, if you're liking this video so far, be sure to drop a like. It shows me you want to see more things like this. Subscribe while you're at it too to see more. We'll only be looking at the top tier of JJK, and it's not going to be anything in order. It's a relatively short list because we're only going to use people that have any sort of chance to fight him.
Kak Cika cek
In
dulu.
raw stats alone, he outclasses a lot of people to begin with. So of course this includes the special grades, as well as people with unique abilities that might counter him, and a few others here and there that aren't necessarily top tiers but maybe can do something. So to start out, since we're taking him as is, he likely will gain some sort of cursed energy immediately. I said he doesn't have it by default, but cursed energy comes from negative emotions, so by putting him in this verse, he might just get that by default. The thing is, he wouldn't have any prior knowledge of it or know how to use it, at least not right away. Again, we usually do verse equalization, but we're not doing that here. This would happen though. This is just the bare minimum and logical. If he were from this verse, he could copy any genetic thing, meaning he could likely copy any curse technique from a major clan by default due to those being inherited. That's why we took him from JoJo, because otherwise
Yang mana
he just
yang
copy everything. This isn't a crazy handicap though, just a
pilih gitu?
slight
Bentar.
making.
Ah, Arya yang pilih deh. Arya yang pilih coba.
Hey, welcome back everyone. Today we learn loops. Okay, in programming, if you have to perform certain tasks over and
First
over
had to get
again,
rip on first energy and then
there are two types of loops: while loop and for loop. We'll see how a while loop works. We'll begin with a really simple example. Let's say you
Nih,
have a jar of cookies and you want to stop eating more than 3 cookies. So every time you pick and eat a cookie, you keep track of the count. Now this process repeats until you reach the limit, that is 3 cookies. Let's try to solve this using a while loop. I'm talking about a while loop. A while loop executes the code inside it as long as a certain condition is met. In our cookies case, first thing, we have to count each time we execute the loop, that is each time we eat a cookie. So we use a variable to keep track of the count. And since we haven't started counting yet, the initial value will be 0. Now coming to the condition part. In our problem, this condition is that we eat as long as the count is less than 3. So cookie 1, 2, and 3. Now inside the loop, the task is that we increase the counter by 1.
the task
Let's
is
just print this counter inside the loop to see
the
how
content
much is
inside
each
the.
iteration. So we eat a cookie,
Nah, Kak
we
Cika
print
ambil foto bentar ya.
implement the count. Let's try run this code. In the first iteration, counter value is 0, which is less than 3. So this condition becomes true. We enter the loop. Inside the loop, we add 1 to the counter and store it back to counter. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. Counter becomes 1. So when we print, we get a cookie number 1. In the second iteration, counter value is 1. 1 less than 3 is true. We enter the loop. We
this makes
increment the
the color
counter from
Right.
which is why I mentioned the area.
Let's any value counter is
You know,
2.
disaster.
It's print become 8 cookie number.
I think cars would be
In
able
the
to
third
interact with
iteration,
this.
counter value
Like
is
he have some
less
percentage,
than
but
3
how
is
he's gonna
also
see
true.
and interact
We
with the
enter
person
the
is not gonna have that
increment
by
the
default.
counter.
Well, he already has pretty
Three.
enhanced perception,
Print
and since we
eight
are getting to
number.
some level of curse energy, his
In the
enhanced
fourth
sense
iteration,
could be, for
counter
example,
value is
like
3.
curses based
3
on
less than 3
senses
is
below.
false.
Kasihan orang India ini.
False because the
Better
control
than what
fails.
Toad has actually.
And the
There
control
is
comes
Toad
out
has
of
curse
the
energy, and Cars
no
does.
more
So
iteration.
either way you slice it, you would be able to see curses, and at least
Remember,
interact.
when you write
In fact,
any
he actually
loop,
has first
there are
energy
three
here.
main
You
things
probably
you
find a
need
way
to
to
measure.
exercise them too.
One
It
is
would be really simple.
initializing.
You just need a little
Okay,
bit of time
that's
to
the
get it done.
starting point of
And that's
your
why I included the disaster curve,
next
because they have that slight
condition.
advantage from
Until when should
Hanami
you
and Jogo
run?
are terrible matchups
And
though.
the last one,
Cars can do whatever Hanami
incomplete.
does, and
How
while
does your
Jogo,
counters or
Cars
other
already can adapt to that.
variables change
As for
inside the
Mahito, you might think he
So
can
in
get past
short,
Cars' power.
loops are used
I wouldn't think
whenever
so.
you have
The
any
concept of the
particular
soul already
task.
exists in JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, meaning it's a pre-existing force of nature that Cars might already have knowledge of and control over. As we covered in the Goku vs. JJK video, there are ways to counter Mahito. Cars would either need to figure out how to protect his soul with burst energy, and then use that energy to attack Mahito's soul. He could also wear Mahito down, or just one-shot him. Even if he couldn't defend against this, his regen and his own body manipulation would let him survive, even if his soul gets damaged. And he could probably figure out how to repair it later on. So I don't think Mahito would do anything against him. At the worst, he damages Cars a bit, but he learns and grows from it. At best, Cars can instantly figure out a counter to his abilities and walk out unscathed with a very easy fight. Next to Yori. Yeah, a huge jump here. Cars already pretty much exactly does what she does, but better. She has the advantage of creating any substance she knows. Of course,
Oh, I see.
a lot
Okay.
of burst energy though. Another advantage she has is her domain, with its sure hit effect. Although with Cars' level of knowledge, he might be able to adapt in multiple ways. He could also die here, like if she makes the true sphere in her domain and sends it towards him. But I think Cars would have a few ways to protect himself against this. For one, depending on how quickly he gets a grasp on his burst energy, he might figure out a way to make a simple domain. Or even better, create other life forms to fight alongside him. Or maybe split himself, something to throw off the domain's target. It really depends on the situation.
Loop, katanya loop increment.
Sorry, I'm getting distracted. This cookie is so good.
Oh, okay.
Loops can execute a block of code as long as they specify the condition is reached.
Iya,
Then
bener. Ada bener banget lagi bener. Ada kok bisa sih nurunin Indianya? Astaga banget dah, astagfirullahaladzim. Coba ya. Ada yang
ini
belum.
kan
Iya, kayaknya bener. Hah? Coba ya. Tadi kan jadi nggak pede ya. Oke, tapi area udah lancar nih.
ya
Counter, ntar dulu ya. Kayaknya A-nya harus jadi counter deh. Atau counternya harus jadi... Iya, A-nya diganti
ya.
counter. A yang di atas ya. Yang di atas sayang, itu biarin. Itu biar... Atau A semua... Ya, semua counter
Iya,
jadi A.
kan itu tesnya semuanya A.
Oh ya udah. Oke, sejarah berarti counter jadi A semua ya. Oke, bener. Nah, A sama dengan apa? Cookies is so good kata Arya. Dimasakin bunda atau beli ya?
Enggak beli.
Oh, nice. Bisa nih, bisa. Nah,
Kalau ini.
indentnya ya. Coba cek. Indentnya, kurang ke kanan dikit. Ya. It's supposed to be accepted. What? Itu doang. Astaga, jagonya Arya mantap. Udahlah bagus. Iya, bagus lanjutin ya bener. Arya tuh analitiknya udah mantap nih sekarang nih, mantap.
Ntar.
Figure out a solution for this. So, despite the power of her true sphere, Cars has a really easy battle otherwise. As for someone else similar to him, let's go to Maharaga next. Again, he's essentially a better Maharaga. Maharaga can adapt to any independent phenomena, but Cars can use the powers of any living thing by default. The issue is, Cars doesn't have any knowledge of this verse, so it's not like he can just create anything from scratch. Until he learns more about it, he's limited to what he knows from his verse. Since Cars is bloodlusted, he'd probably go for the kill right away. And even if Cars takes his time for some reason, there's no way Maharaga can adapt to everything because of all the things Cars can do. There's so many things in his kit that Maharaga would have to adapt to separately. So Maharaga would just never fully adapt and would be defeated by something else at some point. Despite how amazing Maharaga is, I'd say Cars pretty much no dips here. Next on to Kenjaku. This would be a battle of the minds. Kenjaku's crazy collection of curses can combat Cars, at least to an extent. Nice alliteration there. Kenjaku doesn't necessarily have anything crazy against him, and Cars can overpower most of what he has anyways. If this is the first fight Cars encounters, that could be an issue because he wouldn't know how to exercise the curses right away. But eventually he would adapt. So depending on the setup here, Kenjaku might have some sort of path to victory, but I feel like Cars has this in the bag. It's not like Kenjaku could take over Cars either. Cars' stats are better, and he wouldn't get an opening to do that. Plus, Cars can digest people, and possess them too. If Kenjaku tried to take over Cars somehow, Cars would misdigest the brain and probably grow. It really all depends on the person's Kenjaku uses, but again, I'd say a low death battle. Next on to Yuki. Her black hole attack is obviously her best bet here, even if it's a suicide move. But would it even kill Cars? Personally, I think it would at least trap him, not permanently. Let's get into some black hole science. Assuming Yuki's black hole works exactly like all the other black holes in the universe, well, first of all, it would obviously destroy Earth. Would it destroy Cars too? It really all depends. So when you enter a black hole's event horizon, you get straight out completely thin. Process called spaghettification, because it turned into spaghetti. Yes, that's the real term. No one really knows what happens beyond the event horizon.
Mana yang kayak yang tadi ya?
In this area, you get spaghettified, you get torn apart, you get stretched, you encounter extreme heat too. Basically, you get turned into silly putty and get put in an oven, and you get pulled towards the center, aka the singularity. Everything, including light, gets pulled there. So if Cars enters the black hole and reaches the singularity, it's hard to say what would happen. Of course, we can assume that Yuki's black hole doesn't work the exact same way as these black holes, at least not right at the very instant it's made. But for the sake of simplicity, we're assuming it does. He probably could survive the spaghettification process, but the issue is when he encounters the heat, which would happen right away. The event horizon is millions of degrees, and inside the temperature is nearly absolute zero. Again, we're assuming the black hole is around long enough to actually do this, using real ones for comparison, but in the story, her black hole didn't actually do any of this. Cars can survive lava, but probably not that type of thing. The temperature of a black hole depends on the size and mass of it, but that event horizon usually is millions of degrees. I don't think Cars would be able to take that kind of. And if he somehow survives that heat, he would be frozen in the center, if not completely torn apart with no way to regenerate, because that center is close to absolute zero. Black holes evaporate over time, but
Gimana tuh ya? Harus looping lagi.
Aska.
5 sampai 20
You
ya.
have to print number. Yeah. Ada.
Jagonya. Iya, berarti I sama dengan
I sama dengan
Tadi.
5.
Wow. Terus sampai berapa?
While I less wait.
While I less than 20. Less than or equal than 20 ya berarti.
Oh ya, oke.
Kebalik ya, kecilnya dulu
Oh.
baru sama dengan deh. Kebalik. Kecil, lebih kecil ya bentuknya panah kiri. Panahnya kebalik sayang.
Oh, oke.
Tajamnya ke kiri. Berarti berapa? 20. Ya. Update statementnya berarti I plus 1 ya. I sama dengan I plus 1. I sama
I sama dengan E plus 1. Gini nggak?
Iya.
The client review was brutal.
We're
Coba.
gonna be underwater for weeks.
I'm already so pruny.
This is fixable. Just use Grammarly. We'll crush it.
I'm already crushed.
Fetch your result. Fetch your result.
Spoke too soon.
The finance team is panicking. If we can't get approval, we can't make our numbers.
Isi resultnya lama ya.
First, use Grammarly's AI to sound confident so the team doesn't think you're drowning. Now let's get to that proposal.
Where do we even start? They hated it. I think we broke our CEO's print.
This bonus isn't even plugged in.
Let's start here. Grammarly can look through the proposal to find what's missing.
Meetingnya
Wow,
lama
like in the
banget.
intro. You need to show the clients what's at stake.
That took me 2 days to write. I had to ignore like 18 pings from patch to focus on it.
Well, now it takes one click. And look, Grammarly knows the audience is non-technical, so it can take out the jargon.
Cool.
And make the benefits easier to understand.
Wow, I think our clients are gonna love this.
I'm gonna resubmit it. And with Grammarly working across 500,000 apps and websites, we'll never be underwater again.
Ayah kenapa fetchingnya lama ih?
Over a really long period.
Iya. Lanjut sekarang printing.
Let's start.
This is sama, this is easy nih. Bisa ya?
Change.
This
Task.
is
Write a program to print numbers from 10 to 0 on separate lines. Oh. Write a program to print numbers from 10 to 0. Where is it go at?
Of time, like and of the density. This is known as Hawking radiation, so at some point cars would escape and then be frozen in space. Personally, I think the black hole would kill him, but not for the reasons you'd expect. The extreme heat would kill him, and if he survived the heat, he'd survive spaghettification. But the center of the black hole would kill him. And even if he somehow survived all of that, he would freeze instantly at the center of the black hole. Sure, Earth would be destroyed in the process, but this would also leave cars out in space once he's eventually freed, and he'd just be frozen there. His same fate from part 2. So Yuki wouldn't win against cars, but she might be able to stalemate at least because of the black hole should guarantee at least he's sealed, if not killed outright. Otherwise, cars low dibs. The only thing Yuki does anything here is by sacrificing herself in the process. And again, Cars is bloodlusted, so he could just win this by default. As for fighting Higuruma, I think that Cars would be affected by his domain, but it's kind of random what he'd be on trial for. Plus, his cursed energy being confiscated would just buff him if anything, making him immune to domains. The death sentence is useless if Higuruma isn't fast enough to hit him with his attack. Not to mention, I would think Cars is smart enough to pull his own Saul Goodman. So whatever he is on trial for, he could probably defend himself pretty well against it. This domain probably wouldn't do too much in the long run, and I don't think Higuruma would do too much against him either. Even though at first you might reasonably think he would be able to do something. His domain's pretty OP, but not here. And now on to Gojo. This fight's actually one of the easier ones. In my Gojo vs. Jojo Gauntlet video, I sort of glossed over this fight with pause. In hindsight, I shouldn't have, but I assume that Gojo could win. Really, I think this fight has multiple outcomes. One path to victory for Gojo is using a domain in purple. This should be possible, and he's used red in a domain before, and nothing can really stop him from applying the sure hit effect of the domain with purple. His domain actually is useless on cars besides the sure hit effect. The overload of info probably wouldn't affect him. With the mind and adaptability he has, cars would be unscathed. As for surviving Unlimited Void, I think if he just stands still doing nothing, yeah, it would stop him. But he's not going to be doing bloodlust. This could be an issue because despite Cars' insane intellect, he doesn't have infinite brain power to process everything at once. You could survive those
Oh, ini
effects.
ngitungnya
It's just
terbalik ya,
often
mundur.
going to multiple of these domains and survive with
Dari
brain
besar ke kecil ya.
Write a program to print numbers for
Jadi dari besar ke kecil ya, setup ya. Berarti dari 10 terus mundur ke Berarti
A.
bukan I sama dengan I plus, berarti I sama dengan I minus ya.
A equals 10 while A is that, then what? 0?
Ya, kalau 0-nya nggak di print berarti nggak usah pakai sama dengan ya. Just
Oh,
leave
okay.
leave out the equal sign. Yes, like that. Mhm.
A minus 1 gitu. Ya kan?
Enggak. Print A. Terus di bawahnya A sama dengan A minus 1.
Oh, oke. Print A.
Ya.
Print A minus 1. Gini.
Enggak. A sama dengan A minus 1 kayak yang tadi. Nggak usah
Oh, oke.
print. Ya.
Oh yes.
Ya kan?
I'm so stupid.
Nah, gitu.
Who was paralyzed by it, but still survived. Cars
Tapi
also had
dulu ya.
access
Oke.
to the domain in the first place and might just figure out that he can break out of it. Or if he could find some way to protect himself against it another way, that could work too. Why not pull what Andy does in Undead Unluck and just turn off his brain, acting on instinct? Or utilize his cursed energy somehow to protect himself? Or even just attack Gojo immediately before the effects of the domain fully set in? I would think it wouldn't immediately
Submission.
affect him to its full extent, giving him at least some time to react, then launch towards Gojo and attack him. Also, Cars wouldn't immediately have a way through
Yeah.
Infinity,
Yep,
but
yep,
he
yep.
might find a way through it. Gojo would have to exploit that to his advantage. For those who don't know, Infinity is an
Hijau. Oke. Good. Ya Allah, dia lama kali ya ngumpulinnya. Submitnya lama banget sih. Lama banget sih. Ya ampun, belum.
Nigerundayo. Nigerundayo.
Ntar dulu.
-1. See. Let us see.
Nah, jago Arya. Nice. Oke, lanjut. Odd numbers ya.
A equals 10. Wait, no, 11, right? 10. While A Wait, no, what?
Odd.
How do you do this? How do you do this?
Print odd numbers between. Odd doang ya. Berarti mulai dari 10 benar. While A lebih kecil
Wait.
sama dengan 20.
that Gojo has for an infinitely divided space between them, making it so nothing can reach him.
Nah, bedanya cuman gini ya. Bentar kasih ke gambar ya, biar Arya jelas.
Need an attack beyond his perception, or an attack with immense speed.
Jadi ini nanti kayak gini
And
saya
Former is
info.
pretty tough given the fact that he has the
A lebih kecil sama dengan 20.
By the way, Hollow
Terus
Purple doesn't exist as
print.
a erasure. That's a misconception that I honestly believed at 1.2. It's never shown anywhere to be that, and Sakura
Ah.
survives it twice, which kind of proves
Terus
this.
berarti kan dia harus
Or Hollow
ganjil kan
likely
ya.
has the destructive power needed to injure Cars, and completely kill him.
Ganjil apa genap sih? Odd ya?
Effect, of course. So
Berarti dari 10. Berarti A-nya 11 aja. Ini 11. A
power should be enough. And
sama
that's why in that
dengan
video I said
A plus
Gojo
2 gitu ya. Karena ganjil kan.
Our Gojo does have that type of power to do that, but to win he would need to one-shot. As for Cars, with the power of every living thing, depending on how that goes, he might figure out a way to get through Infinity. Who's to say he can't form a microscopic threat? Cars can manipulate himself on a cellular level. In Hidden Inventory, Gojo said he was working on filtering out gases and poisons. It was never confirmed whether or not he could do it, but he probably can by now. Because then these would have to be things he can see and things that we know.
Well, oh, okay. Thank you.
Iya, Ria, hapus jangan. Hapus.
Bentar.
Biarin dulu ya. Oke.
Print A equals A plus 2. Nice.
Nice. Coba. Ini Kak Cika clear dulu.
Oh, wait, no. It should be 11. No.
Ya, 11, yes. It's already submitted. Dia pasti, apa sih time limit exceeded orang dia yang lama? Oh, Arya, A sama dengan A plus 2, bukan sama dengan sayang. Salah.
Oh, okay.
Plus.
Nice.
Nice. Tungguin.
By mixing different aspects of himself, who's to say what Cars is able to create? The options are limitless, no pun intended. Especially with his extreme intelligence. He could probably find some way to create something that gets through infinity. If we're assuming Gojo's more or less here too, all Cars would have to do is not get killed by Purple right away. And that's not particularly easy for Gojo. Especially because Cars could just attack him in his domain. At some point,
Sekarang powers.
he doesn't have infinite stamina.
Brain
Sure,
powers. You have to brain powers from 2
At some point,
sampai
Gojo would have
28.
age
Oh,
too.
pangkat
So,
2.
but he likely
Berarti
would
pangkat
have
2 ya.
infinity in some way.
Pangkat 2
Infinity isn't
berarti
infallible. Especially with Cars having cursed energy, he could try and utilize domain amplification.
2.
Or maybe unlock his own cursed technique in domain.
Taruh.
Plus,
2,
what
4,
if we set
8,
this all
16,
out?
32,
If
64,
Gojo is standing on something, why not just set it on
28.
the surface? Point being, he likely can find some way through it. After experiencing the effects of it, he might find his own way through it that I didn't mention here. After all, he's incredibly smart, far beyond any real-life person. But let's say he can't get through infinity this way. Will he just adapt some other way? Yes, he can get through. As he fights, he can learn better ways to apply cursed energy. Domain amplification is an option. Or maybe he'll learn to manipulate energy on Gojo's level. As long as Gojo doesn't try to instantly one-shot in that domain with a hollow purple and hand signs of chance, Cars can win, I think.
Plus 1. Dia kan pangkat kan kayak gitu kan? Baik, cek ya. Baik, tunggu. Iya, benar pakai bintang 2.
For those of you who don't know, when I was 17, I was a professional DJ for a few years. But I stopped for 2 reasons. 1, going to all these crazy parties multiple times a week may sound like a blast to some people, but that's not really my scene, so it was just straight up exhausting. And 2, there are so many drunk people at parties. Now you're probably sitting there on the couch with Dorito crumbs falling off your face thinking, yeah, duh, boys. And listen, I know, I'm aware that that's what most people do at parties, but for your information, I don't drink, like, at all. Not even water. And it goes without saying that I didn't then because I was 17, so that would make it illegal. But I'm 23 now, and the most you'll see me drink at a party is a Capri Sun Roaring Waters that I probably brought myself. So since crazy parties weren't really my scene, but I still needed that bread, I chose to DJ what I thought would be the tamest kind of party every week. Wedding. But wouldn't you know it, there were still a lot of drunk people. What? The best thing I've ever done with my life. He's gonna be so mad. And sometimes these people would get a little too drunk for their own good, which I found out the hard way. But I don't know if you know anything about weddings, but they are expensive. Because apparently you can upcharge for love, so it paid really well. Like, I was kinda making bank because I would DJ 2 to 3 weddings a week. Every week during the spring. And hey, compared to all the other types of parties I could be DJing, this was, in fact, the most family friendly. Most of the time. I DJ'd so many of these weddings a month that I practically lived and breathed the wedding itinerary. I would go to these weddings, show up a few hours early, and play some soft stuff before the ceremony. And almost every time I DJ'd a wedding, none of them would start on time, so I had a playlist that was decades long of piano covers of popular movies like Jurassic Park. Then my favorite thing to do would just be to sit back and watch all these boomers who got to the event on time, but they're still waiting for the ceremony to start, just scratch their heads and sit there, losing their minds, trying to figure out where they've heard this song before. I think you're just mistaking it for something else, babe. Come on, let's go get some appetizers. No, Janice, I'm not mistaking it. This is from some.
Oh,
Okay. I'm gonna go get some snacks. Hold on, I'll be there. Just give me a
ya,
second.
berarti kan muncul 2,
Now
4.
this dude just come up and asked me what the song was, but DJs at weddings full of family and
16
friends are kind of invisible. Everyone, everyone's just mingling with their friends and acquaintances they haven't seen in 5 years as they stand around waiting for the ceremony that should have started an hour ago, trying to make small talk. So normally, as a DJ, I would just fly under the radar. But at this particular wedding, I wasn't quite as invisible as I wanted to be. So it's just before the ceremony. I'm giving everyone who's over 40 a hernia, and not a single person has realized what the music is from.
Ya ampun
It's
ya.
fading out, and I'm about to switch to a slow piano cover of Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley when I look up and
Ya ampun.
there is this woman, probably late 40s, mid 50s, staring at me in my DJ booth.
Oh
I
my God.
pretended not to notice, but I suddenly looked to see if she's looking at anyone else, and nope. So I just pretended I was working really hard on something and hoped that she would just look away. Yes, Kanye West. Oh, okay, as I think of it, how'd that get in there? Terrible. A while passed. The ceremony finally happened, and it was beautiful. But this one woman just kept staring at me for uncomfortable amounts of time. Finally, the couple finished their ceremony. Everybody's having the best time, and we move inside to where the dinner's happening, and then it's my time to shine at the reception. I get my speakers all set up, and I start playing some absolute wedding dinner bang.
Ya Kak Cika udah tulisin.
You know, I was there when it first dropped.
Tinggal lihat ini kerjain.
N equals
Suruh ngeprint apa coba? Bilangan pangkat. Oh, sampai N ya? Oke. N-nya mesti dipakai nggak ya? Atau bisa juga gini sih ya? Wow. Nih ya, ini bisa juga gini. Bisa juga while. Bentar.
Okay. Finally, it's time for the reception. First, there's the couple's dance and all that, and yeah, whatever. Then you start dishing out the real sauce to, as my cousin says, quote, get the white people wiggling. End quote. He's also a DJ, and I'm pretty sure he coined that phrase. But anyway, people are dancing, having a good time, doing the whip, nay, and of course there's a bar, so people are just going back and forth from there to the dance floor, thinking they're getting better and better at dancing, when in reality they're getting
Lebih kecil dari
much worse. I'm getting everyone so hyped to dance that it's about time for that one guy who's had a couple of drinks to try a backflip. Check this out, it's gonna be sick.
gitu ya. Nggak kelihatan tulisannya.
Oh, geez, phone. Yeah, I'm gonna get another drink. This happens at every single wedding I've ever DJ'd, I swear.
2, 8.
And it's never once ended well for anyone. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to take it down. I'm looking at you, Steve. My name's Doc. So, if you have loved ones, you'd like bring them on out onto the dance floor. And if you're feeling hesitant, it is a great time to grab life by the cojones and ask that special someone if they want to sway gently back and forth with you for a couple of minutes to some slow songs. So get out there, Lovebird. I say a lot of stuff like that when I'm DJing to lighten the mood. It usually gets people to loosen up and throw their dignity on the line to get out there and dance. But in retrospect, me saying that may have been the cause of what happened next.
Coba ya pakai yang hijau aja wildnya.
The like 40-year-old woman who's been randomly staring at me for the entirety of the wedding and oh no, she's coming over here. Please go past me, please go past me, please go past me. Hey there! Busy night, huh? Yep, you know it, I'm actually working really hard, so you know, you're really good at being a DJ.
You said that.
Yeah, thanks. I kind of got to get back to it though. No, no, you don't understand. It takes some real talent to play as good of songs as you play in the order that you play them. Yeah, I would never be able to do that. Nope, not in a million years because it takes some. It takes some real talent to do that. Yep, well, if you'll excuse me, unfortunately, the guy I came with didn't think so because he's off dancing with some other girl over there or something. I think he said it was his mom, but, well, whatever. I'm deeply offended. Oh, well, man, that sucks. Maybe it's because you're just too good at your job. Yeah, nope. I don't think that's the reason. I think
Ya,
that's
yang hijau
actually
ya.
mom. I'm going back to
Ini
being.
ya, ini diganti aja. Ini diganti ini aja.
She starts inching closer to me on the table. But at the time, I'm 17. I didn't know that I had the authority to say, ma'am, please step back. This is my DJ booth. And I've never had to deal with this kind of situation before. Yep. Single and ready to mingle, as they say. You know, I would do a song once, so I might even be pretty good at this whole DJ thing. She steps behind my DJ booth. Excuse me, ma'am. I'm not sure you're allowed to do that. It's fine. Don't worry. Anyway, I know all about the Miley Cypress and the DJ Caleb. I'm a huge fan of the Big Daddy. Again, I don't feel like I have the authority to tell this 40-year-old woman to back off so I can do my job professionally. I had never been in this situation before. And then she pulls out a chair out of nowhere and is starting to sit down way too close to me. So my fight or flight kicks in and I look over to see a push broom. And I'm like, perfect. So I grab the broom and I'm like, okay, I gotta clean up a bit, keep my space clear, you know how it is. But you have fun on the dance floor. I think that guy's done dancing with his mom and he's looking for
Kita
you.
coba
So
ya.
anyway, I'll catch you later though.
Gimana lihat
Oh,
duration.
it's fine. I'll just hang out over here.
Once,
No,
thank you
sorry.
about
I gotta
variable
keep
updating
DJing,
every
It's my
single
job. Thank
iteration.
you. Come again. I am
Berarti kan
literally push brooming her away.
kalau
Because I
misalnya
had
kita
no
tulis,
idea what else I should do. Yep. It was nice to
ini
meet
kan
you.
jadinya
Alright. And she moseys
nggak
back
akan
over to the dance floor and disappears into the crowd of people.
ini dikaliin. Jadi
Sort
2,
of. This kind of thing definitely
4,
happened to me a few
8,
times, but from that moment forward, I
9,
learned my lesson after that.
32,
I was like the freaking Kremlin
4,
whenever I was on the job after.
128. Itu kan? Nah,
I
ini
never.
cek dulu. Ini kan 2 pangkat 1. Ini 2 pangkat 2. Ini 2 pangkat 3. 2 pangkat 4. Ini 2 pangkat 5. Ini 2 pangkat 6. Ini 2 pangkat 7. Gitu kan? Oke.
Hmm.
Gimana ya? Kalau katakan kita pakai yang hijau deh. Arya bisa? Atau Kak Cika hapus biar nggak pusing?
Iya.
Hapus?
You.
Oke. Yuk, bisa Arya.
I
Batasnya boleh,
equals.
pangkatnya boleh loopingnya. Batasnya boleh pangkatnya. Misalnya Arya ngelihat perkaliannya udah sampai segitu atau loopingnya. Gimana? Bisa nggak? Cobain.
I
Ayo,
don't know. I forgot. Aduh. Bentar.
Never let any water parks.
くだらぬことで我の安眠を邪魔するな。この意。
You know, I already had a ton of respect for employees who work in jobs where they have to deal with other people's stupidity all day, and this story I'm going to tell you is no exception. I swear, common sense ain't looking so common these days. So a while back, believe it or not, I used to have an iPhone with a home button. This home button would break sometimes. When this happened, it's like your whole phone is
Gini nggak sih ya?
so
Iya,
the
berarti
only
dari
thing you can do is go into your settings and turn on a did me like crazy
kan?
and then just encourage me like crazy and then just encourage me to get a new phone. But
Satu
I didn't
berarti
want to do that. So I was like,
kalau apa?
fantastic. I'll just go in there,
Kan
get the
128 itu kan
we'll all be
berapa ya?
fine and dandy. But if I had just gone to the Apple store,
Kak Cika
I'd be
gambarnya.
watching this story right now.
Ya, 128 itu
So I
adalah
go inside and I walk up to the guy at the counter.
2,
Hi there,
4,
my name's
7,
Carl. How can I help you? Hey man,
1,
I'm
2,
bored.
4,
Nice to
8,
meet
16,
you.
32,
My
64,
home button broke on my iPhone SE, and I was wondering since I broke.
2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64.
Nice to meet you.
28,
My home button
27.
broke on my iPhone SE, and I was wondering since I broke, could you fix? Dude, I don't know what it is, but it's like I try extra hard to make employees laugh, or at least chuckle when I talk to them, because they have to deal with such bags all the time. I try to brighten up their day a little bit. But I guess I suck at it, because somehow every time I try, it feels like I just made their day worse. Every time. And Carl here is no exception. Yeah, I can take a look at that for you. How'd you break it exactly?
Coba ya.
Oh, just some heavy bodily
Jadi,
impact. What, were you like playing football or something? Look, the more specific you are on this, the easier the fixing process will be.
Look.
I mean, it's not like you were doing anything dumb with it, right?
Jadinya
Yeah, like something stupid. I mean, you better have a completely valid and believable story on how you accidentally broke this thing. Because there is no way an upstanding, functioning member of society like yourself would be dumb enough to take this nice phone somewhere so chaotic it could easily be broken. Yeah, no, about that, What is it, buddy? Where did you go? What'd you do to it? Oh, well, you see, I was, You were what? Come on, spit it out, man. I was, on the, go-kart. I was, You were what? Go?
ikan.
With your phone in your pocket?
Oh, 2 pangkat. Kak Cika salah.
And what do you mean, and? Having it in your pocket wasn't enough? What were you, blindfolded? Well, no, not quite. I was actually making something. Oh, what were you making, buddy? I bet it was
Nggak ada kelihatan.
really important if you had to do it while in a go-kart. It was a Dude, I'm so sorry. I totally
Kan 2 pangkat ikan.
I was just messing with you. Did you really
Terus
break it while making a sandwich on a moving go-kart?
IPA 1. Gitu.
You know what? It's not important. Okay, I'll just check with our main tech guy and see what we can do, okay, man? All Alright, I'll be just 1 second. My man Carl did not hold any punch. And maybe it's just the fact that my joke flopped at the beginning of our conversation, but I genuinely felt like he was judging me so hard. And he was just like, nah, I'm just kidding. But, you know, I get it. He's probably just bored of dealing with people all day and wanted to have some fun. Man, of course my phone broke in the weirdest, most unbelievable way possible. So Carl comes back and he's like, yeah, so it looks like at the moment we don't have the correct parts to fix this, but we're actually getting a new shipment of parts tomorrow. So if you want to come back in the next couple of days, I could probably fix it for you. And I'm like, sure. So I go back to my normal life with my digital home button. And I'm staying away from go-kart track. People with the newer iPhones are making fun of me for having an inferior product. But hey, I mean, it could be worse. So a couple of days pass, and I finally make it back to the U-brake I fixed. And let me just say, I'm glad I went here instead of the Apple Store, because I would not have been able to witness this incredible moment. So I walk in, and the same guy Carl was working at the counter. But this time, he seemed like he was in a good mood. He and the person he was helping were smiling and laughing, and he was helping him out. And I was like, wow, thank goodness. Because I didn't think my fragile emotions could take any more sarcastic judgment. So I walk over to these chairs because my out-of-shape rear end doesn't want to stand in line. Carl finishes helping out that person, and he starts waving me to come over because it's my turn. When the doors swing open. And this, like, vertically challenged and hefty, not unlike a circle-shaped woman.
I shall go just show you that.
Wearing a cloak, and I'm not kidding you, carrying an 1800s lantern, just brushes past me and walks right up to the counter to cut me in line. So I'm like, excuse me, I need this fixed. Well, my name's Carl, and I'll be happy to help you. Let's see what we got here. Sorry, 1 sec. No worries, it's okay. Carl inspects what this woman slammed down on the counter, and it's something that I can only describe as a original German World War II 1944 dated Feldfunkspeaker 33 field telephone by Kilowatt. But it also looked like someone must have mistaken it for a Spud Melvin's limited edition Chicago-style Datsun Frankfurter hot dog because there was what looked like a bite taken out of the middle. My first thought was like, oh, maybe it's from like an actual war. That's like a bullet or a mortar hole or something. But my second thought was, well, it couldn't be, because neither mortars nor any type of bullet I am aware of leaves comically large cartoon teeth marks in something it pierces. Because I am not kidding you, and I'm trying to describe this thing as best as I possibly can without photo evidence. This thing looked like Shaggy unhinged his jaw like a Burmese python and took the longest bite out of the middle of this thing. And Carl looks like
Kayak cobain ya.
not know what to do with himself. So the medieval lady is like, so can you fix it? And Carl's like, you know, I've never seen anything like this before, but I can tell you
Tinggal
right
dicek
now,
aja
this
loopingnya.
hole practically goes through every major component I can see in this thing, so I don't think so. But can you fix it? Ma'am, whatever this thing is, practically every single piece inside of it would need to be replaced. So I'm sorry, but no. You'd be better off buying a new one. Somewhere. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know where. But thank you for coming in. I'm sorry we couldn't help you. Best of luck to you on that. Alright, next. Okay, well that's fine. In that case, could you at least recover the data from it? Ma'am, I just told you practically every single component of this thing is either missing or damaged beyond repair and needs to be replaced. So no, unfortunately, there's nothing that I can pull from this device that I can recover for you. Okay, well, can you at least pull the data from, like, previous calls and stuff from it? You could tell Carl is getting a little heated now. Ma'am, no. I just told you, it is all destroyed. And I certainly can't recover previous phone calls off of this thing, even if it was in perfect working order. All right, I get it, I understand. So, what data can you recover? I literally just explained why I can neither fix it nor pull any bit of data off of this thing. So, again, I'm sorry, we cannot help you.
Coba ya,
Okay,
cobain ya,
you
biar bisa
like
next.
pull the call history from it. And Carl just looks at this lady. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't know how he kept this cool this long, but he looks at this woman, does this hand motion, and goes, "Ma'am, I cannot."
Ya, mohon ya. 6 menit lagi. Bisa nggak 2 lagi soal? Calvin Cameron.
So I finally get up to the counter, and Carl is like, "I am so sorry about that, dude. No worries at all. That was, entertaining. I'm sorry you had to deal with that." Yeah, that was definitely a first for me. But anyway, we have the part needed to fix your phone. Let me do that for you real quick. And Carl, the absolute goat, fixes my phone in like 30 seconds. It cost me like $10, and I went on my merry
Apa
way.
jika ketik aja?
Don't worry, obviously staying away from go-kart track, but I am
Nanti
truly
sama dengan
back.
128.
I just like, how can you not have respect for
sama
people who
dengan
work in jobs like these, where they
gitu
need to be patient and polite to people
While
like this
I
every single
nanti
day? Like that
kecil
one
sama
time, which
dengan
was so
7
satisfying when I saw an airport McDonald's
min
employee
2
absolutely
pangkat
obliterate
gitu
a
kan.
super entitled Karen. That story's right here if you want to check it out. Comment if
Ya, Kak Cika ketik di Zoom ya, di chat ya. Terus udah gitu udah I sama dengan
Hmm.
I itu 1. Tuh ya, tinggal lihat deh di chat gitu nggak? Ini Kak Cika hapus. Tinggal 5 menit loh sayangku. Semangat, semangat.
Nah, I sama dengan 1.
Coba. Semangat Arya, semangat.
While I equal.
Mhm. Oh, I lebih kecil.
E. Wait, what? No, not that. 7.
Ya,
I equals I plus
plus 1.
1.
Yes. Coba, bener gak? Kita tes pangkatnya ya. Berarti sampai pangkat 7 kan? Gitu 1.
Nice. Wait.
Fetching result. Hi, nice. Good. Okay, shall we do the next?
I never thought I'd actually hear the words, "Ma'am, this is a McDonald's," uttered
Next, yeah.
by an employee unironically to a Karen before I die. But rest assured, I can officially scratch that one off.
Nah, kita akan mengenext. Given an integer.
Given an integer n as input, you need to output the number 0 to Halo deh.
Arya masih.
Selesai sekarang boleh nggak?
Ya udah capek Arya ya. Udah nanti next week lanjut lagi ya.
Iya.
Oke, makasih.
Makasih.
Dadah. Assalamualaikum.
Dadah. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.